In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Meet video as the default in Google Workspace. This is a useful feature if you often find yourself starting or joining Google Meet sessions where video isn't necessary, and you'd like to optimize your bandwidth or simply prefer audio-only meetings. Let's walk through the steps to change this setting so that your default is audio only, saving you the trouble each time you enter a Meet. First, you'll want to make your way to Google Workspace. If you're already using Google services for your business or organization, you should be familiar with this platform as it houses many of the tools you use daily. Once there, you'll need to access the admin console. This is where you'll manage many of the settings and functions for your Google services. Next, you'll need to log in with your business email address. It's essential that you use an account with the appropriate administrative privileges, as only admins can make changes like the one we're focusing on today. Enter your credentials and click Next or Sign In as prompted. If you encounter any login issues, double check that you're using the right account. Once you're logged in, look towards the top right hand side of your screen for the Google Apps menu. This is a grid icon that you'll likely recognize as it provides quick access to various Google services. Click on this menu and look for the admin icon. Selecting this will take you into the admin panel where you have control over your Google Workspace environment. From the admin panel, navigate to Apps. This is where all your Google applications, including Google Workspace, are located. Within this section, you want to click on Google Workspace to access settings specifically for your suite of Workspace apps. Now, the specific focus is on Google Meet, since that's where we're changing the default video setting. Click on Google Meet to explore the configuration options available to you. Look for the setting labeled Default Video Quality. Clicking this option will allow you to make changes to how new meetings are set up by default. Find the pencil icon next to Default Video Quality and click on it. This icon represents itself typically as the Edit or Modify option, allowing you to change current settings. Here you want to select Audio Only to ensure that future meetings start without video automatically. Finally, make sure to save your changes by clicking the Save button. It's crucial to confirm your new settings are applied, so recheck if needed. And there you have it, you've successfully set Google Meet to default to audio only, enhancing your meeting experience through better management of your internet resources and smoother meetings for everyone involved. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.